I'm Dr. Zafar, Associate Professor of Dermatology. It's an honor for me that Skin Junction is holding its first ever one trainer, one trainee workshop, hands-on in fact, in Lahore. And the first ever workshop is going to be conducted at Zook Synthetics at my clinic, inshallah, on 6th and 7th July, Saturday and Sunday. The best thing about this vision of Skin Junction is that it does not need any scheduled training. The trainer and the trainees, they can schedule the program according to their availability. Moreover, trainees are freely given a range of trainers and they can select among themselves the best one they think about and the best one they think they can get maximum out of that. So I welcome you all to get registered for the second batch, as the first batch enrollment has already been closed. So looking forward. Thank you very much.